Good evening, everybody. Mayor with FDAHunter.com. Let me share my screen quickly with you guys. All right, so what a day, what a day, what a day for FULC. FULC, amazing stock, over 140% winner today. And this is just the beauty of biotech companies. Fulcrum Therapeutics had a wonderful win today with clinical trial results that did very well. And the excitement was amazing. Over 104 million shares traded on this low float baby. And what have we mentioned many times? When you have a low float stock, you have high demand, you have an amazing catalyst like news like this, and crazy price action where everybody's buying. This can push the stock up like crazy. And we've seen it happen time and time again with FDA approval stocks. And that is why we love this sector so much. Bear or bull market, it don't matter, because these are amazing plays that are normally very, very strong either way. Okay, so we'll break down FULC quickly and see what could possibly happen with this tomorrow. And we will get into that right away. All right, guys, so welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and break down again FULC. Amazing day today, over 140%, literally from the 9 or 850, 860 range to $22 high of the day. Amazing news. Let's see the news that happened. Fulcrum Therapeutics announces positive interim results from phase 1 healthy adult volunteer trial for sickle cell disease. Now, of course, we saw this. We saw the price action. I mean, this was just an amazing, amazing play today. And this just, again, enforces and shows the power of stocks like this that are fighting for that FDA approval. And look at the amazing success we see along the way. I mean, this is happening over and over again. If you look at all our videos, a lot of our videos are showing these stocks with +2, +3. I mean, just the stock last week, TSOI at 3 or 4 cents, literally just because they were going to enter phase 3 trials, that stock doubled the same day just from the news. So amazing hype from this article here. And this article literally kicked off a stock to go 140%. I mean, look at this mountain, guys. This is a serious, serious mountain over here, serious price action. And that is what we're looking for when we are giving an FDA call alert. The FDA approval, we look for an FDA approval stock that has confirmed FDA approval, preferably a cheaper stock. I mean, this is amazing. $9 stock or $8.50, and this stock literally more than doubled. I mean, that is just amazing. That just show you guys the power of FDA approvals. I mean, look at all this price action. Look at what is happening. Look at the excitement. You have 104 million shares traded. You have a low flow company under 18 million shares. I mean, if this kind of action, ask yourself, if this kind of action is happening without even an FDA approval, what on earth will happen with an FDA approval, right? What would happen if this was FDA approval? So again, this was just amazing, amazing news for this article, and amazing price action, low float, a little higher price than what we would be looking for, okay? But again, definitely a lot of indicators that we're looking for, and this stock just hit it out of the park. I mean, look at this, guys. Think about this if this was an FDA approval. This is what has happened over and over again. I mean, you could have got here pre-market, you could have got here pre-market, you could have gone after market open, you could have got here, went to bed for an hour, went and seen your girlfriend or taking your wife for some breakfast or some quick brunch or something, right? And you come back and you're still making money. I mean, it's really hard to go wrong on a stock like this that has an amazing catalyst, great price action, a lot of short squeezing happening, right? So that is a lot of stuff that is happening. Then you have the traders and breakout buyers. I mean, you bring in a whole audience attracted to this like sharks with blood in the water. Okay, so this was an amazing play today. Amazing price action, and a great example to show you guys what companies are doing to fight for that FDA approval. I mean, we have stocks fighting almost every day trying to get to that FDA approval, and those come out very rarely with the indicators we're looking for like this. So, you know, a $40 stock or a $500 stock getting FDA approval is most likely not going to budge or barely even budge, okay? Or it's priced into the news. So when you get a shock like this of a company very small out of nowhere hits it out of the park, guys, I mean, this is the kind of price action you are seeing off this article, okay? So I want to congratulate all the winners on this. What do I think for tomorrow? Now, tomorrow, I think there might be some more short squeezes in this. We've seen this with NURO go on day 2, which was also FDA news. We've seen this with stocks like MRIN. You have these low floats. You have BLIN. You have a lot of stocks like this. So, for the last week or two, it's been kind of up and down. The stock's been bipolar. But at the same time, we've seen stocks like this that just keep going, and they will usually short squeeze even on a second day. So tomorrow, if let's say the market open or pre-market, there's a lot of volume, we could potentially see a lot of support here at the 1750, 1760 ranges you see here, 1760 till about 1809. There's a lot of support here. So if this holds and defends pre-market, I think that this thing could short squeeze continuously more, and then bring in the breakout buyers around the 22 range. And who knows, maybe go to 30, 40, who knows? I mean, CARV, you look at these are not things I'm making up. This is stuff that we see. And the pros of the pros always are explaining one thing that is very important also, is to adapt to the market, to study the markets, to see what's going on in the markets. I mean, that is just what is going on, okay? So again, congratulations on everybody for this. This is the projections for tomorrow. I would probably play it maybe as a dip buy if it's supporting. And then also if there's a lot of price action, and at the same time, if it squeezes towards $20, $21, potentially might be a good buy for a breakout past $22. All right, guys. So again, thank you very much. Have a good evening. And we are waiting the next FDA approval where our subscribers will be getting a personal phone call. Nobody does that. For high odd winning potential, where stocks like this have gone up 100 to 300 plus percentages in a day. I mean, again, ask yourself, stocks like this are running on phase 1, phase 2, not even phase 3, guys. I mean, this could take years before it gets FDA approval. And look at the price action on this kind of news. So ask yourself, what will happen with the next FDA approval? All right, guys. So tune in, go to FDAHunter.com, put in the promo code FDA to go ahead and get a free $50 off your subscription. It's a month-to-month plan. You can get out whenever you want. We're not here to lock anybody in. Why? Because we know these plays, and we've seen these plays have been happening for many, many years consistently, okay? All right, guys, have a good evening, and let's kick some butt tomorrow.